Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Owlet Dream Sock not showing oxygen level. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So guys, our first step is check Dream Sock placement. Ensure the Dream Sock is really placed on your baby foot. Make sure the sensor is positioned correctly on the foot of accurate reading. Okay. So second step is perform a fully power cycle. Unplug the base station from the power source. Wait for about 30 minutes and plug the base station back. Okay. Reset the sensor according to the manufacturer instruction. So third step is understand the Dream Sock feature. Note that the updated Dream Sock provides a 10-minute historical average of oxygen level as an indicator of sleep quality. Alerts are now based on the sleep quality rather than real-time oxygen level. Okay guys. So with our fourth step is update your Owlet Dream app. How to update this in iOS user? Open the App Store on your iOS device. Tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to view pending update and release note. Locate the Owlet app and tap to update next to it. Okay. To initiate the update process. How to update this in for Android user? Visit the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Owlet Dream app. If update is available, then update and follow the update on your Dream app. Okay. This is our all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.